Hey guys, I need to show you my I need to show you. I'm gonna show you my collection of monkeys. I know it's weird, but then no, just kidding. Never mind. I want to tell everyone that haters, they're gonna hate, and they're gonna they're gonna kill me because I suck at videos. So I'm thinking of quitting. Bye guys. I'll see you. Have a happy Thanksgiving. And yeah, bye. Just kidding. I'm not quitting. Why would I quit YouTube? I'm like the best YouTuber, better than PewDiePie if you know who he is. I hunt for monkeys, man. Who doesn't do that? This is so cool, man. Look, see, I got my monkey glove too. Oh my God, Frank. See, I killed Frank. Look, I'll show you his dead body. Okay, I can't find him right now. But like, oh, here he is. Hey, look, guys. I shot him. I shot him through the heart. Yep. I killed him. Yep. And now I'm like, yep, I killed him. He's like, oh no, don't kill me. He's like, hey, where did you go? And I'm like, surprise. Yeah, surprise. Boom. And then he got shot. Ah. Then his friend, Donkey Kong. Oh, who's there? Bananas. Boom. I shot him too. Yep. I killed every of his friends. And then like I forgot what his name was, but then like forgot. But then a bear came. Oh, bare necessities, own mother. Boom. And I shot him too. And then, oh my God, look, a random monkey. I love McDonald's. Oh, don't kill me. Don't kill me. Why you always lying? Don't lie. And I killed everyone. Yep. And I have all of their dead bodies. Yep. All of their dead bodies. And then I found this. I found this monkey. I was like, oh my God, monkey, where are you? And then the monkey's like, oh my God, I gotta hide. Oh, look, I should hide in this tiny thing in here. Just kidding. Ha ha ha, I didn't even know what I'm saying right now, and I'm gonna get shot by this guy. Oh no! Then everyone died. Then one day I got transferred into a game, and now I'm like, oh my God, look, a piggy. And now I'm like, I'm sorry, piggy. You made her bacon. And I shot him too. And the last one I killed, well, the last one was the bear. I killed it. That was gonna be my rug. Yeah. Killed every single monkey and stuff. Now I'm gonna kill you. You better watch out. 'cause Krampus is coming.